Yo, what's up, guys? Gonna wait a few minutes for more people to join. Meanwhile, checking my trade from Friday. Just got stopped sadly on a Tesla trade, but that's all good. Part of the game. Now, we will check NQ. NQ and Tesla today. Maybe we'll get a trade. But I'm gonna wait a few more minutes for more people to join. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, what's up? What's up? Now, let's check NQ. I'm still in this NQ trade from Friday. And now let's check if we can add a trade today. First, I have to check market structure as always. We shifted bearish right here. Oh no, we didn't. It was just a liquidity grab. But we shifted bearish at this area. So we are not in any internal liquidity. That's what I'm just making sure. Let's put this a bit to the side. Let's start from here. Market structure with the 2 candle rule. I mean, all that chop is not really important. It's clearly this leg to the upside that is important. So currently, oh no, it's not that obvious actually. We pumped from here to here and then this is valid. Then we switched structure right here to bearish. And we switched structure back to bullish right here. It's all according to my 2 candle rule, guys. And now let's see. Last leg. Let's start from here. Yeah, we are definitely bullish currently. And where is the invalidation to get bearish? That's the big question now. And it's this one. Because we have 2 candles to the downside here, 2 candles to the upside right here, 2 consecutive candles. Second one is outside of the first one. Here, this is not the case. So those are the 2 candles I'm looking at. And we only have 1 down candle, only one. So no 2 consecutive down candles. So this is the last valid low that we need to break to get back to bearish. So currently market is bullish. It's now 1537. And once we close now the opening range, for my trading strategy, we will look for trades. Currently it's pretty open what the range will be, 1530 candle, 35. To wait for another 8 minutes. Tesla we have 1530, could be the top of the range, but I also have to wait until 1545 for my opening range to completely close, and then I can actively look for trades. But for NQ it's just important now market is bullish. This is the invalidation. And now the range where if it closes, I will look for continuation longs. Since this is the invalidation for shorts, I need to get a structure shift for shorts, but we're only shifting structure right here. So it doesn't make sense to shift structure here and then to take shorts probably. So yeah, for now we gotta wait until the range closes. If anyone of you guys has questions, feel free to ask. Investor Revolution, what do you look for confirmation of the ORB? I just now wait 15 minutes from 15:30 to 15:45. And then if market is still bullish, I will look for longs. If we get above here, one candle close above, at least 3 points over the range, then I take continuation longs like this. So the confirmation would just be bullish market, opening range, close at least 3 points above opening range. That's my long scenario. But first we have to wait for the range to close. So 5 more minutes. And longs are in favor today because we are shifting bearish right here. For now, it could change, of course, if we sweep this and not close above, then we shift structure, then I take shorts. But for now, longs are the most obvious play. So now I need to wait. I need to wait for the range to close. Then we can go over the scenarios for the day. Green Insights, what's up? Are you taking a Bitcoin trade during New York Open? No, probably not, because New York Open, I'm always focused on NQ and on my stock system. And in that case, it's Tesla. I trade those two systems during New York Open. Why not Bitcoin as well? Because if I get 3 trading triggers at the same time, it can be very hard to manage them as fast as possible. So those two are enough. And currently we need to wait. Maybe if the range is close to here, shorts are also on the table. But for now we need to wait a few more minutes for it to close. Would love to hear your trade bias on Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, I'm waiting because we had this big insane pump, pump to the downside. We had this big retracement with basically no retrace and with no pullback at all. So right now it's just between those two, and I would either probably switch to a long bias if we get above here and then long pullbacks. My long from that I posted publicly on my X got stop break even after take profit 1. And now it's again a waiting game. Hour 1 is exactly this one. And hour 4, if you want, you can. Hour 4, I would wait for a higher time frame swing trade. I would wait for a low sweep of this, or this could also be nice to take. If we get above here and then long, that is in alignment with the hour 1, or a sweep of the lows with a nice shift in structure would trigger longs as well for me. That's my Bitcoin bias. Looks bearish on NQ. Oh yeah, Tesla is also dumping pretty rough. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, nice, it's okay. Now, if we close above, or if we are getting, we could get short triggers now as well. We had a nice sweep. Oh, I'm still in this trade, I forgot. I'm still in this trade from Friday as well, guys. It's a long, it's not break even. This is just full setup, basically. It hasn't reached any break even point, so I have to run it full setup. Now, if we close 2 candles below here, we switch bearish, then we have both on the table. Then longs are on the table because we would switch structure back to bullish, and shorts are on the table because we are bearish. Swing long and Q. Swing long and Q, that's wild. Good luck, good luck. Okay, in 1 minute the opening range is closing. Then let's see if we switch structure as well. We need 2 candle closes below here to switch bearish. Let's see if we get it. Tesla, we have a big dump, so I'm already setting my alarm here because the high is likely in. And now 45 more seconds until we close my range. We have a pretty big range today. Will be big trades. Wide stop losses. Now we are below here, so if this next candle closes also here, then shorts are nice on the table as well. Then we have short and long scenarios for today. Tesla, the range is probably in. I'm setting alarms on Tesla. Because I might get a short soon. Not explaining too much on my Tesla system, because that's only reserved for my students that will open next month. Next month you can join my one-on-one program, guys. It will drop next month. If anyone is interested, just hit me up in the DMs on X, and we can talk about getting you in the program. So first candle closed below. If the second candle closes below as well, we're switching structure bearish, and then shorts are also on the table. Now long, if we get back above here without closing below, now we need 2 candle closes above here. Then we are switching back to bullish again because this is the high, and then I'm taking longs. Will it be affordable? Yes, it will be affordable because we have different options. There are multiple options, and yeah, if you are interested, send me a DM on X, and then we see if you're right fit. And yeah, we have a call. I schedule a call with you if we think you are a right fit for this. Then we make a call, and then we talk about everything, about all the details and how we handle it. So if anyone is interested, send me a DM on X, guys. Okay, now the low is also in. This is the low of the range. Market is now still bullish until we close this candle below here. Then it would be bearish, and then I would take shorts. Investor Revolution will do. Thank you. Yo, Astali, what's up? Tesla is in the range, so nothing for now. And then Q is now chilling. The range has closed. And let's see how this candle closes. If this candle closes below, I will have shorts on the table like this. But for now, if we get above, I will take longs. Since market is still bullish, because we always need 2 candle closes for a shift, guys. That's what I use myself and what I teach. That's why I'm not marking it as a structure break already here. It's for now, it's not. Let's see, 1 minute and 50 seconds left for this to close, and then we'll see. Yeah, my Bitcoin. Bitcoin I always post on X, guys, so follow me. I'll analyze Bitcoin every day, sending out my plans. For now, this is my high that we have to break. I want to see how we react on 24,950. That's the value error low of the 15-minute opening range. Good place to turn bearish. Yes, that's sounds right. We have 50 more seconds, and if we close below, we're shifting bearish, and then we are looking for shorts, guys. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Tesla is holding the range low for now, so no trade, nothing. If anyone has questions, feel free to drop it in the chat, guys. I will read all your questions and answer them. Don't be shy. No dumb questions are real. Every question is a good question. Let's see if we get bearish right here. If we close like this, we are looking for shorts, guys. And it's probably a structure break right here. Why right here? Because here we have two down candles. Here we have two up candles, but the second one is, oh, it's outside. So this is the up candle, but we only have one down candle, one, also one. So this is all one leg to the upside. So this is the invalidation for shorts, or this is the short. Here we switch bearish. That's what I wanted to say. And now market is bearish. And now if we close one candle below here, at least 3 points, I'm taking shorts. One candle close is enough now because we are bearish. For the long scenario, I need two candle closes above here. Then we are switching structure bullish, and then I would take longs. That's how it goes today for NQ. If anyone has questions, feel free to ask me. Tesla is still at the range low, so nothing here. NQ, we have to wait. We're seeing some strength now. But obviously we need to get above here or below here. If that doesn't happen, then I'm doing nothing. It's very important to learn to sit on your hands. So for now, there's nothing to do. If anyone has a chart I should look at also, feel free to drop it in the chat and I will do a chart request as well. Also, don't think I'm crazy because I'm always looking down. I'm reading the chat here. Oh, Tesla is getting below. If we close below, I'll take a short on Tesla. Let's see, let's see. Obviously, it needs to, sorry, it needs to close below here. And Q is pretty strong. If Tesla closes below, I will take a short. I took an NQ short, reacted from the zone, small size. Yeah, it's a good place for shorts. Market is bearish, obviously. I just haven't gotten my trigger yet. I will join shorts if we get below here. Tesla's almost below. Let's see how we close. If we close below, I quickly have to enter my trade. I need to put you on the waiting screen because I don't want to leak anything. But I will take this trade if we close like this. And then give me 1 minute so I can enter it. Yeah, it will probably close like this. I need to put you on this screen shortly. Really sorry, guys, but can't leak anything. Give me 1 minute, then I show you my position. Okay, 1 moment, guys. I'm done. I am done. I am done. Okay, I'm taking this short. Quickly sending it out to the members. Thank you. We got nothing. Tesla, I'm in this short now. And let's see what we get today. If anyone copies this trade, guide, as always, disclaimer. This system has a 50% win rate, so half of the trades will go wrong. You won't be profitable only copying a few of those trades. If you wanna be profitable, you need to copy every trade of mine. And obviously I'm only streaming once a week, so yeah, from next week on, starting March, you can join my group. If you want, then shoot me a DM. It's all included in the mentorship, and then you can see every trade of mine as well. Just letting you know if you're interested in that. Since, yeah, 50% win rate, guys, half of the trades will hit stop loss, half of them will work. And that's just how trading is. If anyone shows you their 95% win rate, that's not really, they are lying, basically. It's not sustainable. They just want to lure you in a group, probably, or in a signal service. I'm honest with you, 50% win rate, that's life. Now let's see what we get today. First trade is in. I'm setting an alarm if we reach this point to see. I'll set it break even probably. Oh no, Tesla, I don't set it break even. Tesla, I let it run, but I still take an alarm here because it's nice to see trade hit this point. How did you decide to put stop loss to break even at 1.2 hours? So here for Tesla, I'm not putting it break even. On NQ, I put it break even on 1.2 hour. And why? Because my data showed me that this is the perfect point to set it break even. Collected a lot of data, all that I teach in my program from next month on. And yeah, my data showed me that this point is the perfect point to set the trade break even, because if we reach this point and we don't hit the full take profit right here, price is likely, if it reverses back to break even, if it does this and it front runs my TP, and if it hits the break even point, it's more likely to stop me out as well. So that's why I set it break even at 1.2 hour, because my data that I collected showed me that this is the optimal spot to do it. Investor Revolution, if that answers your question. But yeah, NQ is boring. We can't do anything on NQ. Tesla, we entered the trade. Okay, nice. Most use one-on-one, one-to-one, but data-backed is the best. Yeah, I'm very big on the data side of trading. That's what helped me to become profitable. So that's why I'm also teaching it, you know. Okay, Tesla is running. Also entering it in my trading tracker. That also you get if you join my one-on-one program. I'm plugging it here because we will launch it next week, guys. And I'm excited to launch it. That's why I'm plugging it here as well. Okay, Tesla is in. NQ for now, nothing. Trades are in the tracker. So yeah, 50% win rate, guys. Keep in mind. You need to copy every trade that I take to be profitable with this system. You can't just copy one trade a week and think that you will make money. That's not how it works. And on NQ, we have to wait for one side to break. If you want to take this trade as well, it's basically the same 50% win rate. You can't copy this one trade and expect to make money, since it's just a 50-50. But in case you want to do it for some reason, 2 candle closes above this high, we shift structure back to bullish, and that means I take longs. Entry range high, stop loss range low. Second scenario, we are bearish. If we get one close below here, at least 3 points, I will take shorts. Entry at the range low, stop loss at the range high. And that's the plan for the day. For the rest of the day, that's why I set alarms right here. And if we get above, I get notified. If we get below, I get notified. And on Tesla, it's basically stop loss or take profit. No need to watch the charts 24/7. Okay, are there any more questions, guys? If you have questions, let me know. If not, then we wrap it up. We wrap it up for the day and let Tesla run. And NQ, we wait for some direction. Feel free to type in a question if you have one. If not, we wrap it up. Thanks to all the viewers again, guys. Every time over 15 viewers. Really nice to see. What's up? What's up? What's up? Stali, thank you. See you soon as well. Investor Revolution, thanks and good trading. Thank you to you as well. Good luck with your short. Looks good for now, I think. Okay, guys, then we're gonna wrap it up. Thank you all for joining. I will see you next week on Monday with the next public live stream. And if you're interested in joining my one-on-one program, where you can get also access to my Discord that will release, yeah, just message me on X, just send me a DM, and then we see if you're a right fit and schedule a call. Okay, guys, thank you all. See you next week. Peace out.